Hi there, hi everyone, boys and girls. Yes, time for a binary. In this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, Wednesday, August the 5th, 2022, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars, Sudokus. Two puzzles are left for today. There are actually 7 puzzles, but I've told you I won't do them all, only half of them, 4 of them I will solve. And 2 puzzles are left, the tectonic, in Dutch they call it block, and the binary. Yes, it's time for the binary. Binary time. Alright. And this will be number 4957. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means 8x8. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. 8x8. Okay. Double one. Here no there no. Double one. Here no there no. Double O. Here one there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one. Here no there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double O. Here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one. Here no, there no. Oh. Alright. Okay. Let me see. Well. Come on. Okay. Thinking. Between two ones comes an O. Well. Do we need to compare? It seems like we need to compare between this row and that row. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Empty box. We need to switch those two digits. We have O here, this should be 1. We have 1 here, this should be O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Then 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Wow, a lot of O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Well. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And then, compare again. Double one. Do we have a double one here? No. Well, this is this row and that row. Let me compare. 1 1 1 0 empty box 0 1 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. But it's not helping me. Haha! Aha! We need to compare again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No. Do we have a O? 101. Well, this one and that one. Okay. 0011001, empty box 110. Need to switch those two digits. We have O here, this should be 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 5 minutes. Alright. Great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.